All right, in just the next few minutes, we're going to break down 10 seriously powerful AI hacks that are set to completely change how you work in 2025. Doesn't matter if you're a creator or a professional, these are the techniques you'll need to get way ahead of the game.
So, are you feeling that constant pressure? The need to create more, faster, and somehow make it all better? Well, what if you had an AI copilot that could handle all the heavy lifting for you? That's exactly what we're going to do. And look, these aren't just little tricks. These are actual repeatable systems to help you work smarter, not harder. Okay, let's get into it.
First things first, let's talk about that dreaded blank page. This first batch of hacks is all about creating professional-grade stuff from scratch in just seconds. We're talking about the absolute core of your content. So let's kick things off with hack number 1, the AI video scriptwriter. Look, the heart of any great piece of content is the idea and the script. We all know short-form video is king, but writing a script that actually hooks people in the first 3 seconds, that's a huge challenge. But this is where ChatGPT becomes your own personal script writing. Now, the real magic of this prompt is in its structure. You see, by telling it you need a strong hook, a story, and a call to action, you're literally forcing the AI to think like a master storyteller. And the result? A perfectly structured script for YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikToks every single time.
Okay, so you've got your killer script. Now you've got to bring it to life, right? That's hack number 2, creating cinematic visuals. You need amazing video clips, but maybe you don't have a whole camera crew on standby. No problem at all. A tool called Pika Labs can generate these incredible cinematic visuals from just a simple line of text. Just look at this prompt. It's specific, it's evocative. You can use this to create custom intros, B-roll that is totally unique to you, or you can even build entire faceless videos with it. The quality you can get from just one sentence is, honestly, it's pretty mind-blowing. So you've got the script, you've got the video, but is anyone actually going to click on it? This brings us to hack number 3, the smart thumbnail. You could argue this is the most important part of a video's success. And guess what? You don't need to be a Photoshop genius to make a great one anymore. This prompt, for a tool like Leonardo AI, gives you a high-concept, high-contrast image that is basically engineered for a high click-through rate. It mixes powerful visuals with clear, bold text. And you know the best part? You can spin up and test like 5 different versions in minutes, and it won't cost you a dime.
Okay, making the assets is one thing, but knowing what to make, well, that's the real secret sauce, isn't it? This next set of hacks turns your AI copilot into your own personal strategist and researcher. Which brings us right to hack number 4, the AI Trend Finder. You want to make content that feels fresh and relevant, right? The key is to ride the wave of what's currently trending. But the question is, how do you spot those trends before everyone else does?
This prompt for Gemini is a total game changer because it's pulling information in real time. You're getting an instant check on what people are actually talking about right now across all the major platforms. This is perfect for trend jacking or creating super timely news-style content.
Now for what might be my favorite one, hack number 5, the data to insights hack. Come on, we all have them, those dense reports, PDFs, or spreadsheets just gathering digital dust on our hard drives. What if you could turn that boring data into a goldmine of amazing content? And this right here shows you the power of Claude 3.5. You can literally upload any document, use this prompt, and it doesn't just summarize it for you, it actually comes up with ideas. It hands you 3 ready-to-go social media posts packed with the key data points. It's like having a data analyst and a social media manager all in one. So, we've covered making content, and we've covered finding ideas. Now, let's put the whole thing on autopilot. This final set of hacks is all about building powerful, automated systems that do the work for you, even while you're sleeping. Let's start with hack number 6, getting your entire business online in less than a minute. You need a professional-looking website for your brand or your portfolio? You think that takes weeks of coding and design? Nope. Try 60 seconds. Yeah, you heard that right. 60 seconds. That's all it takes. There's a tool called Durable.co that can build your entire digital presence in the time it takes you to watch this slide. But here's the kicker. It's actually 2 hacks for the price of 1. The first is, obviously, the website itself.
And the process is just ridiculously simple. You go to the site, type in your niche, and boom, a full website is generated. But pay close attention to that last step. The AI also builds your logo and writes your marketing copy. That's hack number 7, the Instant Brand Kit. In that same 60 seconds, you get a whole visual identity. solving two of the biggest problems for any new project, just like that.
Okay, your brand is live. Awesome. Now you need to grow your audience. Hack number 8 is a really clever way to automate your organic growth and build a community without being glued to your phone all day.
Now, let's be super clear. This isn't about spamming nice video 100 times. This is about using AI to write genuinely smart, insightful comments on other relevant content. And why does this work so well? It's all about reciprocity. You add real value first, and a great comment gets pinned, it gets likes, and it drives curious people back to your profile. It's strategic networking, completely on autopilot. And now it's time for the grand finale that ties everything we've talked about together. This isn't just one hack, it's our last two, hacks 9 and 10, rolled into one awesome automation blueprint. This is where we stop thinking about automating single tasks and start automating our entire daily workflow. This prompt right here is pure gold. When you ask ChatGPT this, it gives you a complete roadmap. It really breaks down into two parts. Hack number 9 is automating your inputs, using a tool like Zapier to automatically pull interesting articles and trends into a central hub like Notion. Then, hack number 10 is automating your outputs, connecting that Notion database to ChatGPT to brainstorm, draft, and even schedule your content. It's a full circle system you can set up today.
Phew, okay, we have covered a ton of ground here. So let's just take a quick step back and see how all 10 of these hacks fit together into one cohesive strategy for 2025.
It really all comes down to 3 core pillars. First, there's content creation. That was hacks 1, 2, and 3, covering your script, your video, and your thumbnail. Second was strategy and research. That was hacks 4 and 5, where we used AI to find trends and turn raw data into brilliant ideas. And finally, workflow and growth. That was the big one, hacks 6 through 10, where we built a website, created a brand, grew an audience, and put the whole system on autopilot.
So, we've laid out the entire toolkit for you. The prompts, the platforms, the strategy, it's all right here. And these aren't just little tricks that will be gone tomorrow. This is the new foundation for creativity and productivity. So, really, the only question left is, what are you going to build?